In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a weight tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible database that logs your weigh-ins, tracks progress toward a goal, and shows trends over time. Extra tools required. Start by opening a new page in Notion. In the body, type /table and choose Table View. When prompted, pick New Database, so you are creating a standalone tracker, not a linked one. Give it a clear name like Weight Tracker, so it's easy to find later. You'll see a basic table. This is your foundation. Now set up the properties that make the tracker useful. Add a date property to record when you weighed yourself. Add a number property called weight, and in its property settings choose the unit you use, kilograms or pounds. Consistency matters here, so pick one unit and stick with it across all entries. Add a text property named Notes for context, such as high sodium day or post-workout, which helps explain day-to-day fluctuations. If you want visual documentation, add a Files and Media property named Photos, so you can attach progress shots to each entry. With these properties in place, the table now captures the what, when, and why behind each weigh-in. Next, build in goal tracking with formulas. Create a number property named Target Weight and enter your personal goal. Then add a formula property called Difference. In the formula editor, type prop weight minus prop target weight. This shows how far you are from your goal. A positive number means you are above it, and a negative number means you are under. To make this even clearer, open the display options for your number properties and switch to a progress style bar where available. That quick visual cue makes your progress obvious at a glance. To visualize trends, add a chart view from the Add View menu and select a line graph that plots weight over time. Seeing the curve helps you spot plateaus or steady change without scanning rows. Create a calendar view to check your weighing consistency across the month and to anchor regular check-in days. If you are tracking photos, add a gallery view so each card shows the image along with the date and weight, giving you a clean transformation timeline you can scroll through. That's it. Start entering your first few records. Jot down brief notes that explain any unusual days and review your views weekly to stay on track. This simple system keeps everything in one place and grows with you. Thanks for watching.